gangster from Tennessee. I like that. You, miss?
My favorite is the fist pumping. Mine's the crazy dancing.
Perfect. And you? Hello, world. We're having a fabulous old time, rocking out with our fist pumps to the sky. And we can't wait for Hawk Nelson.
Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Daniel. I'm with the band Hawk Nelson, and I'm originally from right here in Barrie, Ontario. That's right. I walk these streets just like you, and I didn't know what was going on in high school, so I joined a local worship team, and actually Scott Jackson, who started Life 100.3, said, "Have you ever thought about doing music?" And I thought, no, but that's when the seed was planted. And from there, I just joined local bands, we got going, played a lot of actually local battle of the bands. So I'm encouraging you guys to do the same thing. Before you know, you could be the next Hawk Nelson. Dare I say, you might be the next Switchfoot.